they keep on sending text to my number, like from strange numbers, man. Like weird texts and all that. I'm like, wow. He sending me messages and stuff like, what other names? I'm like, oh my goodness, bro. Like, when is it gonna stop? Like, it might don't stop. It's crazy. But it do not bother me. So, I'm not gonna let that mess with my head or whatever. Like, I'm not gonna, like, just, like, lose my mind. But, man, I'm like, okay. It's crazy. But anyway, I don't even care. I mean, like, I think the people that used to have the number that I have now used to have that, before me. But I think something went wrong. They couldn't pay their bill or nothing like that. Or the phone number or whatever. I think that's why they lost it. And I don't know. I think the company, they we still have their number or whatever. And now they think I'm those people or whatever. I'm like, nah, they got me messed up. But anyway, I'm like, man, I've been doing this ever since I received the phone. Like, when I went to get it or whatever. Man, it was crazy. But anyway, no, not about me. But on another sort, man, shoot, my man, basically, getting calls too. Yeah, I've been getting calls. A lot of calls. Man, I'm scammed lately and all that. But come on, everybody been through that. Everybody been through that. Yeah, I already know people been through that. Because, we can avoid it, but it still will happen. Man, it's crazy as ever. But, I remember, man, I remember I got this one scam call. And this person up there trying to ask me for my valuable information and stuff like that. Up there trying to say that I'm not me or whatever. I'm like, what the? I got mad as ever. I went off on him. Hurry up and hung up real quick. But yeah, because dude asking me all these questions and then he gonna ask me for my important information. I'm like, what the? Nah, man. No, that's not happening. Nah, no, man. You better go find somebody else to mess with like that. Cause I'm not doing that. Trying to play mind games and stuff like that. Anyway, man, all this single time, people been calling my phone and all that, be asking for different people's names and stuff, and say you have the wrong number. I'm always say that. Basically, it's crazy. But the stuff will keep on happening. So I'm like, I could go wall up on these people, or I could just basically talk to them with respect and just like, say they have the wrong number. But the thing is, other person gonna keep calling or whatever. But I'm not gonna like be mean to the person or nothing like that. And then like they like doing the stuff on purpose or whatever. And yeah, I mean like they made a mistake, they made a mistake. You know what I'm saying? Who am I to judge? I'm not gonna do that. So anyway, oh my goodness. I just said that like be careful about who I pick the phone up for or whatever. Anyway. Oh man. I remember like when I was like actually like laying on my bed in my like, home when I was younger or whatever, and I just basically hear something like scratching the wall, like I think it was behind it or whatever. And I hurried up and got up real quick. And scratching continues sometimes. And like I'll be up there and try to see what that is. But I think it was a mice trying to get up in like, my room or whatever. And this was like before I even like, even moved in my own house or whatever. I mean, so it was crazy. I was like, oh my goodness. I'm like trying to find out like what was that, but yeah, I didn't even want to know. To tell you the truth. Oh my goodness, dude. But the noise was something else. So every time I began to like lay down and try to go to sleep, that just like constantly be happening. I mean, like up there just hearing strange noises. Oh my goodness. About this, like, creature up there, like, scratching against the wall or whatever. I'm like, wow. It's like, the thing was trying to, like, hurry up and get through that wall so it could get to me or whatever. So, I was like, oh, wow. But that was when I was younger. So, oh my goodness, I remember, like, when I was, like, I was, like, worried as ever. I was like, whoa. But it didn't bother me. I just got used to the, like, noise and all that. I mean, yeah, that's what I basically do. I just get used to it. I don't, like, get freaked out no more. I mean, like, yeah, that's me. Basically. Oh, man. I learned how to deal with things. So I had to, like, deal with that noise for, like, 15 years. Like, you know what I'm saying? And it was all the way from being a young person to being a grown man or whatever. And that creature still didn't make it through. It kept on just scratching the wall and stuff like that. I think it was a mice or a rat or something like that. Oh man, it was crazy. And anyway, yeah, I mean like, that was something else. Yeah, then I be like up there just like, just up there chilling. That's all I was doing. I'm just chilling. in a cold, dark house. Yeah, my animal. This my time. Alright, like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And hit that bell on notification so you can see my previous videos. And I'm gonna be making another one tomorrow. And don't forget, oh wow. Yeah, or just simply like, basically just view the video again. Alright, I gotta go. Bye.